Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saurabh. So today I have come up very late, I know, and that's why I have come along with so many Udemy courses for you. So I will go one by one. So I will not take so long on this video because there are plenty of courses are there. So let's get started. And before I start, I just wanted to add one thing. Please redeem these courses as soon as possible because some of are very late in course and they may expire maybe like tomorrow. Okay, so please try to redeem as soon as possible. So first is Microsoft Excel that you can learn. Microsoft Excel includes 4 hours course time. Okay, my system is too slow because there are so many tabs are open and that's why my system is loading so slow. So please pardon me on that. Next is Microsoft Excel is again there. That 4 hour course is also there that you will can learn Microsoft Excel with this course. Next, another we have the Excel as well. So again, like 4.5 hour course time is there, and that's again for the Excel. Okay, so moving ahead. Okay, so here we have another course that is Android app development. Here you will get more than 15 hours course time. So and one practice test and 47 downloadable resources as well. So you may check this out and it's all these courses includes a certificate of completion as well. Next we have full Android development masterclass that is more than 9 hours course time and you will be like, able to understand more about Android development. Next, we have Java Mastery Beginner Guides and Full Stack, and that is a premium course from Udemy, and that having 7 hours course time, including 9 coding exercises and 2 articles, 1 downloadable resources, and role plays there as well. Next, we have Python and Flask demonstration practice course that has 8 hours course time, and you will be awarded with a certificate of completion once completed. Next, we have Python and Flask framework complete course for beginners. And this course includes more than 12 hours course time and certificate of completion is as always. Next, we have Python programming, Python Bootcamp for beginners. This 3 hours course video will help you out knowing more about Python. Next, we have a jumbo course that is like Python, Java, PHP, all three languages are there where you can learn. With 6 hours course time, you will be able to learn more about that. Next, we have Python automation and data science bootcamp 0 to hero that includes 5 hours course time and that's free and that's like certificate of completion is as always. If you're looking for some projects in Python, so this 8 Python projects will help you out to stand out in the market and that's a powerful tool step by step or like course is there. So it's five more than 5 hours course time is there. So you may check this out. Next, we have a crash training on Java. So if you're a beginner and want to know more about Java or like to revise Java, so you may check out this 2 hours course time includes the one article. So that will help you. Next, we have CSS Bootcamp JavaScript and a PHP stack, a complete full stack kind of course that includes more than 8 hours course time. So you may check this out. Next, we have foundation of web development, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and React. This includes more than 5 hours course time. That may help you out. Next, we have Angular, that is the engineer's choice. This includes more than 3 hours course time. So you may check this out as well. Next, we have Django, website from scratch to deploy to cPanel. That includes 4 hours course time. I hope that will help you as well. Next, moving to AI. So Cursor AI for beginners. If you are looking to learn more about Cursor AI, so you can look into this course. This includes more than 5 hours, includes role play. Next, we have Vibe Coding Camp that includes GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Lovable, and Windsor. Includes 8 hours course time and a role play there and 3 articles are there. GitHub Copilot for beginners. If you're looking to know more about GitHub Copilot for beginners, so this 5 hours course is going to help you with a role play option. Next, we have a DeepSeek AI for business build a strategy with AI insights. This includes more than 32 hours course time, and one article, 18 downloadable resources, and many more. This is a whole pack course. You may check it out. Next, we have Notebook LLM Mastery, Organize, Analyze, and Optimize with AI. That includes a premium course, and this includes more than 3 hours on-demand video with a role play. So you may also look into this course. Next, we have deep dive into OpenAI models, Master O3, O4 Mini, and beyond. And this is a premium course, and this has more than 8 hours course time, includes assignments, role play, articles, and certificate of completion is as always. Next, we have Claude Pro Mastery, AI for business marketing and automation. So you can leverage the Claude power with 12 hours course time. So this may help you. Next, we have Apache Spark Project World Development that includes more than 5 hours course time that may help you learning more about Apache Spark. Next, we have data analysis and data visualization, Microsoft Copilot that includes 6 hours course time that may help you doing more about data analysis and etc. Next, we have a practice test that starts with Scrum Master practice test and that includes more than 1,000 questions. Next, we have another practice test for UiPath Advanced RPA Developer Practice Test that includes more than 150 questions. UiPath Certified RPA Associate Practice Exam that includes 48 questions. UiPath Specialized AI Professional Practice Exam that includes more than 80 questions. Salesforce Certified Marketing Cloud Consultant includes 97 questions. Salesforce Certified Integration Architect Practice Exam includes 74 questions. Salesforce Certified Industry CPQ Developer Exam that includes 41 questions. And Salesforce Certified AI Associate, this includes 300 practice tests. Certified Associate Developer for Apache Spark Preparation Practice Test is there that includes more than 150 questions. Databricks Certified Data Analyst Associate Practice Exam that includes 64 questions. Databricks Certified Data Engineer Associate Practice Exam that includes 113 practice questions. Databricks Certified Data Engineer Professional Preparation Examination that includes 100 plus practice questions. Certified Generative AI Engineer Associate Practice Exam that includes 75 questions. Databricks Certified Machine Learning Professional Preparation Examination that includes 62 questions. Certified Associate in Project Management Preparation Exam that includes 400 plus questions. Cognitive Project Management in AI that includes 97 questions. Portfolio Management and Professional Practice Exam that includes 50 questions. Moving next, VMware vSAN Specialist V2 exams that include 70 plus questions. Microsoft MS 102, Microsoft 365 Administrator Expert that includes 179 questions. MD 102 Endpoint Administrator Practice Test that includes 100 plus questions. MB 800, which is Dynamics 365 Business Central Consultant, that includes 130 questions. MB 310 Dynamics 365 Finance Functional Consultant, that includes 180 plus questions. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management Practice Exam that includes more than 200 plus questions. Dynamics 365 Customer Experience Analyst MB 280 that includes 62 questions. DP 300 Azure Database Administrator that includes almost 200 questions. DP 100 Azure Data Scientist Associate that includes 266 questions. AZ900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, that includes 200 plus questions. AZ801 Windows Server Hybrid Advanced Services Preparation Test, that includes 70 questions. AI102 Microsoft AI Engineer Practice Test, that includes 250 questions. AZ500, which is Azure Security Engineer Associate Practice Test, that includes 200 plus questions. AZ400 Microsoft Azure DevOps Solution Expert, that includes 300 plus questions. Prince 2 Agile Foundation, that version 2, that includes 240 questions. Fortinet Fertilizer and Administrator Practice Test, that includes 39 questions. The complete desktop support engineer interview practice Q&A, that includes more than almost 600 questions. Certified Information System Security Professional exam, that includes 600 plus 70 practice test. Certified Cloud Security Professional practice test, that includes more than 500 practice test. CompTIA A plus certification practice test and training, almost 500 practice tests are there. CompTIA Network Plus practice test is there, that includes 500 questions. CompTIA A plus certification practice test is there, 500 question includes. CompTIA Security Plus includes 500 questions. If you want to know more about Kubernetes along with Helm chart, this course will going to help you out with 16 hours course time. Docker deep dive, you might wanted to know more about Docker, so this 2.5 hour course will help you out. If you're looking to know more about station ops with AWS, this 1 hour course will help you out. If you are to stock market and want to know more about Nifty, Bank Nifty, options, future trading, and others, this 8 hours on demand video is going to help you out knowing more about share market. PowerShell, if you want to know more about PowerShell, this regular expression course for PowerShell, this includes more than 1.5 hour course, may help you out. If you are looking more about SAP public cloud stock transfer ATOE process, this 4.5 hour course will definitely going to help you out. So that ends today's course list. Hope you will like the courses. So if you have liked the course, or if you eager to get such course in coming days more and more, so please hit on the subscribe button. If you like the video, so please click on the like button. If you have any concern or anything to suggest or improvise, you can suggest me if I improve anything, because I'm new to the channel. So you can drop me the whatever the things that you want to share. That's it from my side. So see you on the next video. Thank you so much.